I'm about to cut my car off.
I was. Fuck it.
Where's your lighter, Mike? Shit, dead now. Mike.
Hey, there's a truck.
I'm glad I got tinted windows too. You can't see behind me. I think I might put my foot on the brakes.
Here comes the soap.
Oh, you know damn well really can't see my car now. Chuck. Look at it. Ooh. This is intense. I never thought, I always never thought of this. I did one half of the car.
Yeah, I goes back around and does the other half.
Yeah, it comes from this side now. Here it comes, see? That's intense. We're all doing this with a donut behind us. What the fuck? YOLO! Well, I hope it's the soap time. Wish I could see high pressure. Yep, triple foam. This shit's about to... Oh, they're doing it again. I don't want to see this again. This just happened. It still says "ho" on the inside of my car.
Man, my mom blew off the handle. She's like, she called me one time. Why does my car say "dick" on the window?
Yeah, slap.
I was like, Mom, just chill.
It was a joke, mother. Don't do that.
I'll see if it's closed
No, I won't.
without the door being open.
No, I won't.
What's next?
The foam. Triple foam? What? Why am I blow drying my car?
It's only an $8 wash, dog. Gotta move up, move up, move up.
Oh, fuck.
Gotta start it.
Do I go now?
No, it's just a blow dryer. You gotta feel it.
Oh, boy!
You gotta get too slow, you gotta get too slow.